Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to do 2016 paper 2 MC question 9, and this is a topic for functions and graphs. Let's get started. Usually what's done is you are getting a figure, a graph, and then you have to find the equation, but this time it's opposite, right? So here what we do is we know that a is less than 0, that means it's a negative. But then we also know that a is larger than -1. So you could say it could be, if you just want to give it a number, it could be around, let's say 0.8, -0.5, or anything you like. Actually, we don't need it yet. And then we also have the equation for the graph, which is y equals to ax plus 1 perfect square plus a. Yes, because we have a square here, and then we have to find the equation, find the graph. So do you know how to do it? I guess some of you might do it. One thing you can see from these graphs is these two are unhappy, these two are happy. So that's the first thing you have to find, whether this equation is happy or unhappy. The other thing, if you compare these two, the only difference they have is this y-axis and this y-intercept. And then for these two, it's also the same difference, this one and this one, right? So in other words, the second thing you have to find is their y-intercept. So you have to find two things, the happy and unhappy face and the y-intercept. So let's see what the equation says. If you see this kind of equation, actually the fastest way is to do the vertex form, but then I guess some of you might not know it. That's why we are gonna do the easiest way without thinking too much. Just open the bracket. Okay, this one, a plus b square, which you get a square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that one. Okay, so if you want to open this, it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square, because 1 square is still 1, so I'm writing that. And then at the end it's just a. That a is this a, not this one, a here. That's why I have an a here. Okay, and then now you have the whole equation, so you can find happy and unhappy directly. So the coefficient of x square, that means the things next to x squared can determine if it's happy or unhappy. So it's a square. So no matter what the value of a is, after squaring it will be a positive. You can use calculator. Okay, let's say your value is -0.8, and then after you square it, what do you get? Yes, you are getting a positive answer, because this square is given to the negative and also the numbers, and when you are giving it to the negative disappears whenever it's the power is even number. And the 0.8 square is of course positive number. So that's the first thing you will already know, that the graph is a happy face, in other words it means a and c is for sure wrong. And what else can we find? Yes, we also had to find the y-intercepts, right? One is negative, this is negative, one is positive. Let's see which one is the answer. How can we find y-intercept? Well, look at the y-axis here. Here, the value of x, it's already known, right? Yes, it's 0. No matter where you go on this y-axis, it's still 0. And the y is always changing, so we can't do anything with y. But then we know that x will definitely be 0. So from your equation, let x be 0. 0 times anything, 0. 0 times anything, 0. So these things are cancelled. So your y-intercept is 1 plus a. So will it be positive or negative? Can you click calculator or just guess on your own? Because we know a is larger than -1. So even if a is -0.99999, your final answer will be a positive answer. Okay, that's why your answer is D for here. So that's your answer. Hope you like it, and if you want further explanation or other method, you can also ask on IG or even in the comment section down below. Thank you.